Motherhood is a time of joy and happiness. Unfortunately, new mothers are filled with anxiety and apprehension, endangered by myths and misconceptions generated by family and friends. Hello everyone, I'm Saujana Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be debunking common confinement myths, Sutkeri. Let's go through some of the most popular myths. Myth 1. Do not bath or touch water. This is due to the belief that bathing or touching water causes wind entering in the body that leads to headache, joint pain, back pain later in life. In fact, bathing ensures good personal hygiene and comfort. It also prevents skin and wound infection. I feel it certainly ensures that the people around you find you more breathable. Myth 2. Do not drink plain water during confinement. It is very important to stay hydrated, especially if you are breastfeeding. Water is, after all, an important component of breast milk. Besides milk, water and fruit juice can serve the purpose. The best is to have at least 1 glass of water every time you feed your baby, as well as in between when you feel thirsty. Aim to have between 8 to 12 glasses of water daily. Do not drink cold water. It is believed that drinking cold water affects baby's health, causing infection. Even if you drink cold water, your milk will stay warm at body temperature, and the antibodies you pass on to your baby through your milk will protect your baby from catching infection. Myth 5. Avoid the fan or air conditioner. It is believed that exposure to cool air causes wind enter to the body, leading to rheumatism later in life. However, for personal comfort, there is definitely no harm in switching on the aircon or fan. It may even help to prevent heat rash from developing in hot and humid climate. Myth number 6. Do not brush during the period of confinement. It is believed that brushing teeth during confinement causes sensitivity and mobility of teeth later in life. Absolutely wrong. Actually, the change to the dietary habit, especially consuming more sugar when exhausted or snacking when feeding at night, which can increase the risk of tooth decay by the plaque accumulation. In fact, hormonal changes during pregnancy can make your gum more vulnerable to plaque, leading to inflammation and bleeding, which can lead to mobility of teeth. So to prevent plaque accumulation, do brush your teeth twice a day and floss once a day regularly to maintain oral health. Myth 7. Consume plenty of rice wine, Chang, especially in Newar family. Again, there is no medical reasoning behind this recommendation. Small amount alcohol is permissible and doesn't harm the body. But alcohol might go into your breast milk. Alcohol through breast milk may affect the liver and worsen jaundice in the newborn if it is already present. Alcohol peaks in breast milk 30 to 60 minutes after consumption. So make sure to breastfeed only after this window period. Myth 8. Eating pan, bitter leaf is good for digestion and provides calcium for breastfeeding mother. Again, not true. Bitter leaf will only stain your teeth. Myth 9. After C-section, do not eat fish or cold food like yogurt and fruit juice. It causes pus in the wound. Again, not true. Bacteria causes infection. Actually, fish is good source of protein and yogurt delivers a boost of bone strengthening vitamin D. In addition to providing protein and vitamin B, yogurt is the best source of calcium. Myth 10. Eating ghee strengthens joints after delivery. Probably not. There is no scientific research to suggest that ghee will help strengthen your joint. A hormone called relaxin is released during pregnancy to relax your joint in the preparation of birth. The effect of this hormone takes a while to wear off, and immediately after birth, your joints are still relaxed. That is why new mothers are believed to have weak joints. But weak or painful joint could be due to the lack of certain vital nutrient in your diet as well as perhaps the lack of exercise. If you are keen to try ghee, eat in moderation. I hope this video clarifies your doubt for enjoying and comfortable confinement. Hit the like button, do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video.